Let me ask you something. Have you ever dreamed of earning money without leaving your home? Imagine waking up in the morning, making yourself a cup of tea or coffee, sitting in your comfortable clothes, and starting your day without rushing into traffic, without dealing with a boss who drains your energy, without feeling stuck in a 9-to-5 cycle. Sounds like a fantasy? Well, today I want to tell you, it's not just possible, it's happening all around you, and if others can do it, you can too. The truth is, you don't have to take giant leaps to change your financial life. You don't need to invest millions or quit your job tomorrow. You just need small, smart, consistent steps, and those small steps can lead to big gains. So, if you've been wondering, where do I start? How do I earn from home? Can I really build something from scratch? Stay with me till the end, because by the time we're done, you will not only believe it's possible, you'll be ready to take your first step today. The power of small steps. We live in a world that loves big headlines. Man becomes a millionaire overnight. Teen earns $100,000 from a single idea. Housewife turns into a successful businesswoman in 3 months. These stories are inspiring, but they can also be misleading. What they don't tell you is the months or years of small steps that came before that overnight success. Let me share a truth. Big results are built on small, repeated actions. Think about it. A tree grows from a tiny seed. A mountain is climbed step by step, and financial independence is earned one smart move at a time. When you understand this, you stop waiting for the perfect time or the big breakthrough, and you start acting now, even if the action feels small. Why working from home is a game changer. Earning from home isn't just about comfort, it's about control. Here's why it's so powerful. No commute. You save hours of travel time every week. Flexible hours. You decide when you work and when you rest. Low costs. No rent for an office, no transport expenses, no work wardrobe costs. Global opportunities. With the internet, your market is the entire world, not just your local area. Multiple income streams. You can try different projects without risking everything on one idea, and here's the best part. You don't need to be a tech genius or a big investor to start. Mindset. Before money. Before you start earning from home, you need to prepare your mind. Most people fail, not because the idea was bad, but because their mindset wasn't ready. 3 mindset shifts you need. Patience over pressure. You won't make big money instantly, but if you stay consistent, your small earnings will grow. Learning over earning at the start. In the beginning, your focus should be on learning skills and building trust. The money will follow. Action over excuses. If you wait for the perfect moment, you'll be waiting forever. Start messy, start small, but start now. Small steps you can take today. Let's get practical. Here are simple starting points you can take right from your home. No expensive equipment, no big investments. 1. Sell your skills online. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer connect you with people who will pay for what you can do. Writing, designing, video editing, translating, tutoring, even virtual assistants. 2. Teach what you know. If you know how to bake, do makeup, cut hair, manage finances, or speak another language, you can teach it online via Zoom, YouTube, or a course platform. 3. Start a content channel. Use YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram to share valuable tips, entertainment, or education. Grow slowly, and as your audience builds, so will your income from ads, sponsorships, or your own products. 4. Sell products from home. This could be homemade food, crafts, clothes, or digital products like ebooks and templates. 5. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products online and earn a commission for each sale through your link. Building habits for success. To make small steps lead to big gains, you must create habits that keep you moving forward. Set a daily work time. Even if it's just 2 hours, be consistent. Track your progress. Write down what you did each day and what you earned. Keep learning. The more you improve, the more you can earn. Network with others. Surround yourself with people doing similar work. Celebrate small wins. Every little achievement is proof you're moving forward. Common mistakes to avoid. Even good ideas can fail if you make these mistakes. Quitting too soon. Many give up right before success starts. Trying too many things at once. Focus on one main income source first. Ignoring quality. Customers will only return if your work or product is good. Not promoting yourself. If people don't know what you do, they can't buy from you. The compound effect of small gains. Let's say you start earning just $5 a day from home. That's $150 a month. It doesn't sound huge, but if you keep improving and doubling every few months, here's what happens. Month 1, $150. Month 6, $500, plus month 12, $1,000, plus year 2, $2,000 to $3,000 per month. This is the power of compounding. Just like saving money in a bank, your efforts multiply over time. Real stories, real inspiration. A retired teacher started teaching English online and now earns more than her pension. A young mom sold homemade candles online and turned it into a small business. A man with no technical background learned video editing on YouTube and now edits for clients worldwide. None of them started with big money, they all started with small steps. Your first step starts today. You don't need permission. You don't need perfect timing. You don't even need everything figured out. You just need to take one small step today, because that's the seed that grows into your financial independence tomorrow. So ask yourself, what can I do today, from where I am, with what I have? Then, do it, because your future self is waiting to thank you. If you're ready to start earning from home, make a promise to yourself right now. I will take one small step today. It could be opening an account on a freelance website, recording your first video, or researching a product to sell. The journey to big gains is just a series of small steps. So let's take the first one together.